For many business owners, entrepreneurs, and marketers who identify as introverted, starting a new chapter in content marketing can feel both exciting and perfectly suited to their strengths. This journey is about leveraging unique qualities for authentic growth. Introversion is often misunderstood as a limitation, but it is actually a powerful asset. Introverted individuals tend to enjoy solitary activities, deep reflection, and thoughtful observation. These traits naturally lend themselves to creating engaging, meaningful content that resonates with audiences on a deeper level. Content marketing provides a platform where introverts can shine. Without the immediate pressures of face-to-face networking, introverted business owners can express creativity and insights through blog posts, articles, and social media updates. This allows for authentic communication and storytelling that builds trust. By using effective content management strategies, introverted marketers can maintain a steady flow of material. Focusing on quality over quantity, they can connect with their audience through well-crafted messages that reflect empathy, observation, and genuine value. Recognizing introversion as an asset empowers business owners to confidently navigate the marketing landscape. This approach fosters personal growth, deeper client connections, and celebrates the unique perspective introverts bring to business development. Click the link in the description below to learn more from Mauco Enterprises. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share this video. Let's learn, grow, and succeed together.